In this video, I'm going to show you that I have developed one indicator that has uncovered the secret moves. Okay, so who developed these secret moves in the market? That's very simple. I'm talking about the big banks, financial institutions. So basically, they keep you giving the fake breakouts, and then you trade those breakouts. And finally, at the end of the day, you come to a point that I was into a buy position. It was right, so I cut my buy and I entered into the short position. So that was the wrong approach. Okay, so guys, look at this. This is the new indicator that is called big player targets blueprint. Okay, so this exactly plots the blueprints of the targeted levels that the banks will follow, and that works on the possible direction of the bank. So this indicator is very smart. So first of all, you need to understand this indicator, that this indicator is not available on web with this approach, because this is my personal development, and I have done a very good work on this indicator. And now let me tell you, like for example, just look at this one. On USD CAD 5 minute, you can see the market reached to the third level. Okay, so this indicator consists of three levels: one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the below. Okay, when the market will reach this level, we will do nothing. We will always wait for the market to have a very good confirmation, and that's why there is a you can see there is a bunch of the moving averages here. So just look at this one. Here we have the bullish crossover on the moving averages. If I try to zoom my screen, then you can clearly see we have the crossover here. Okay, now just look at this. This is the confirmation that the market has made the crossover. So it means that now the market is heading towards the first green level here. Okay, now you can see you have taken a buy position from here. And first of all, your first take profit will be this one, and then the market normally retest this level, this green level. And after the retest, if there is any bullish candle from here, then you can again enter into the buy position right from this candle or this one. Okay, so this is the good confirmation for you. And now you can see, once the candle is given your confirmation, now the price can target the next level at the top. Okay, so this is how we use this indicator. Now I'm going to show you the examples. So first of all, let's get started with Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, you can see exactly what happened. The market touched the red level. We will do nothing. We will wait for the confirmation. You can see here the moving averages crossed over with each other. Okay, so this becomes your sell entry, and then now you can see the market target this level. Okay, okay, then it went up again. It was rejected because these moving if the price wants to go down, then what will happen? Basically, you need to keep this thing in your mind, that once the price is rejected from that level, now it has a maximum chance that it will target the blue level. This is how this indicators actually work. Okay, so once the crossover is happened here, you should know that the original direction is the downtrend. And now you can see the market retested the moving average. You can again take a short from here, and then you can take a profit from here, and it again tested the retail traders. And again, when the price breaks below, now it's your time to short again, because you must know this, that now the price can target this blue area, and this is actually what happened. And simply, we were enjoying our trading on Friday. Let me show you the gold example. Okay, you have seen that the gold was going down from many days. It tested the blue level, and we did nothing because we want a confirmation. And here, if you just look at this one, the prices cross over each other. And if you go to my Telegram channel, the link is given in the description of this video below, then you will see that on Friday I was into the buy trades. Why? And I was telling my subscribers for free in the Telegram group that I am on the buy trade, because the market is toward the upper side, because I was actually targeting this red level. Okay, but you know that there was a Friday close, so it was very slow. Then the market, you can see, retested the green level. Okay, first I took my TP here, and then it retested the level. And then when I again got a bullish candles from here, then I again enter into the buy trade. And now you can see almost the market went near to the level, and then we have the consolidation on Friday. Okay, so this indicator is working on everything, whatever you want to trade. For example, I can show you everything. Like okay, these are the examples, these are some examples, so that you can see. Okay, now the market is rejected from the top, so it is more probably that the price will go and target this blue area. But this indicator also updates its level later, so not sure because right now the market is closed. But overall, if the market is live right now, then it's a sure thing that the next price can be at the blue level lower. Okay, so if I show you the maximum indicators, like for example, you can see it's approaching from once it has the rejection and the price has given a crossover, then it is targeting the next levels. I can show you more examples. Let's go to USD CAD. You can see it was exactly from here, went up to the next level. Euro CAD, you can see exactly it went from here, continued the bullish trend, and then hit the red level. Okay, I'm just going to show you examples. Okay, now just look at here. Great Britain pound, AUD. First of all, it comes from the lower side, and then it hit the red level. It has already reached to the green one, and the next target can be the blue level. Okay, so if you want to book the lifetime version of this indicator, you can email me, because this is far better than anything like a journal buy and sell indicators. They simply lag. Okay, just look at AUDJP. Well, once rejected from here, crossover happens. You can see bearish first target, then the second target is met. Okay, okay, yes, I do not provide any guarantees that the market is going to hit the targets all the time, but this is actually, this indicator works. Just look at Bank Nifty. Okay, it was rejected from here, then it has went to the third target. Let's have a look on Bank Nifty, and you can see it went. Okay, US 30, let's take an example. Okay, it exactly hit the last price, and US 100, US 100 exactly hit the last price. Okay, now let me show you the Bitcoin picture today. Okay, so Bitcoin basically starts to go up right above the blue level, and then you can see our first take profit will be the green area, and then you can see whenever it tested that area, then you can see it's going up. And right now, until unless it does not breaks below properly, it does not give a breakout below the green line, then Bitcoin is bullish as per this indicator. So if I will take any trade, I will take a bullish trade. Okay, guys, so our website is fxmentorus.com. The link is given in the description of this video below. You can use the contact us option. You can book the lifetime version of this indicator by contacting on Telegram, and you can also email us. And this is one of the world strongest indicators that we have developed to catch and uncover the big moves by the market makers. And there is an option inside the setting. If you go to from depth 1 to depth 2, then you will see the levels are now more wide. So this is how you can play with this indicator, but I normally keep my indicator to depth 1 because I'm very satisfied with this one for the intraday trading. So guys, book the lifetime version of this indicator by contacting or Telegram or email, and thank you very much for watching this video.